Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. So to do this, first just simply go and open up your Coinbase application, or you can also use the website. And then just click on transfer at the bottom. And now here, just click on send crypto. And now you will need to enter a wallet address at the top. So now just go and open up Coinbase Wallet, and then on the home screen of Coinbase Wallet, just click on the search icon at the top, and here for the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. And now you won't have all of them. So for example, XRP, you can see that it is not here. But if you choose the Solana, which is what I actually use, you can see that Solana is just here. So just select the Solana. So in this case, Solana. Then once you're here in the Solana, just tap on receive and then copy. So that means that you have your new copied Solana address on the Solana network. So now go back to Coinbase, and at the top, just paste in the address and then click on it. And now I've already used this one before, but from here, then just select the currency that you want to select, which should be the same one that you picked on the Coinbase Wallet application. So which for me again, Solana. So we're gonna click on Solana. And I would also recommend Solana because it's very fast and cheap. Then choose how much that you want to send. So just click on the max, and then from here to ask where you're sending or where the cryptocurrency is going to. So just select the self-custody wallet, then choose that if you're sending this to yourself, or enter the details of whoever you're sending to. And then from here, you will see the overview of what you want to receive, what you're gonna receive. And then you just have to confirm and see the network fee. In this case, it's only 2 cents and it will only take 2 minutes. So just click on send, and you will need to verify that it is actually you sending it. So by entering the verification code and everything, then you will get the confirmation, as you can see right here. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!